A mad girl me there with. And then she want blood clot. Then the girl I eat that girl.
Daniel. You see you run left him bag. You drop him bag and run left him bag. I want the bag. You some come and keep seeing that. Because I'll be a job going out there.
You have to my phone, not look away, man, look away for.
I know for this start to go suck your mobile and come out there.
No, no, man. See him bottom one, look away and flap himself, turn over.
So, don't go look for him, I know, I'm gonna ask God. Him a whole little boy there that night, him kill him.
See Sean and Karen there.
Yeah, man.
What go on, Sean?
Yeah.
Karen, what happened now?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, all right.
This is my schoolmate.
Schoolmate. A June that?
You know him, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
Karen and
Me and she me and she.
June, Sean and Karen. So what go on, Karen? You all right?
Yeah, man.
So
Where
far.
are you, Flex?
Him gone up, you know.
Alright, so no
Yeah, man.
respect.
All right, big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself.
Respect, man.
You still that
Yeah.
ticket deal?
No more.
Eh?
You still
Yeah,
that
man.
ticket
Yeah,
deal?
man, yeah, man.
All right, big up
Remember
yourself.
the
Where's
wedding,
Sean?
the wedding I go on the 10th of January.
10th of January.
Yeah, man, we're just a recommit.
Yeah, oh, yeah,
We didn't legally married already, now, but
Alright, big up on yourself. We love you now, here.
All right.
Till right out of Prairie.
See, I can work now, Sean.
All right, big up on yourself.
No, 3 days me get there.
Oh, Wednesday, Thursday,
Wednesday
and
to
Friday.
Saturday, me work.
Yes,
And I
yes.
do work, me work.
Alright.
So me go do one video in time and make if
Oh,
people
no good, man.
If people want me know if we still keep the wedding. Because everybody asks me.
Celebrate here, where you?
You understand? Because they say they want support we both we give away coach fuck it.
All right, so this
Yeah,
is
man.
3 the artists we Sean, Karen,
Yeah, man.
and June.
All
Big up on
right.
yourself,
Big
all
up.
right?
Big up
Big
on
up,
your
Karen.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
You figure Karen for a piece and a
Yeah,
Sean.
man, me go in
Boss
the
you right now and get Karen. Yeah, Karen.
Where get 45 come?
Hey, you, okay, so man, you know, we the first 3 blood I wanted this general life, you know. You don't know that. They tell you, say, I'm not a guy we call him Tony Johnson, New York, you know. I'm running going, you know. Me the first 3 blood not here, listen, you know. General life, you know. The ramp, me the ramp, you know. Go for the answer you, tell them, you know, ramp, you. Me leg on me bomb buckler, and man from 2 and back already, you know. I mean, look on the bomb buckler, I don't do them not back, so. You the bomb buckler ramp. You see me shoot am this bomb buckler. You see me shot am bomb buckler this. Say leg on me and man, you bomb buckler boy, pull on bomb buckler and you. You bust your bomb buckler for it on a business, you know.
Look at
But me tell the guys, the 2 blood and broke already, you know, you. Me see 5 bomb buckler boy with 5 machetes and the 1 broken and 1 year me as sleep, you know. You see how I broke on me from the little guy, the leg on me and man. We have broke already, you, and the bomb buckler boy, they pull out the bomb buckler and then sleep.
Yo, in there, me, man, I trouble, no trouble.
You bomb buckler with me, there you.
Yo, look come over here.
Me shoot me machine through your bomb.
Don't do that, man.
Your heart, you know, you. Me tell the guys, leg on me bomb.
Yeah.
All right, so take it off.
All right.
Go take it off.
Touch me.
Touch me now. So much time you contact me. Touch you.
You don't touch me.
When I'm with the blood clot go a woman, me touch.
How me cannot touch me?
And they come video me up in your blood clot foot and they look for me. No, sir, I'm not doing sitting there.
Then also they say you the bumbo club.
I lie there in the tell. In our video.
They say you the video me.
Me say in our video.
Then why you the pint upon me for?
In our video.
Then why they fuck you?
Right now, if me turn the camera, turn around the phone and say screen black.
Then why you put it on me for?
Me just wall up a phone.
For what?
I want a mic. So me can hear you better in my ears.
Man, you're a bumbo club batty man. They no must rascal me say you the video man lie down on your bumbo club bed.
Yeah,
And then look power you and one day to rascal say so you went come high up your bumbo club self and drop down your blood clot.
I love what?
Make you see you on that part.
A batty boy, you know, you know, see, that's so much.
You have your blood clot dress good and put on short. High up your
Where's dress, bro? I know, no shirt.
then you know how come in on my blood clot your dress so.
What, mate?
Because the woman say you dress so draw down this name underpants so if you under your pants. You draw down the pants and the woman can see the underpants. You shine no rascal thing can see how your skin shine. You know, must run going on out in belly for you a madman.
Are you afraid me take your woman?
So you must belly for escape, you escape from where they lock up madman.
Where that, Bellevue?
Bellevue, they still got, must get scared. You know have on short, you draw down the trousers and they
But
see
right now, you for the
you
Bellevue.
up your rascal
You don't say you're for the Bellevue right now?
and look how me dress and look how you dress.
But your dressing now nothing to do with you.
What with me that go for the Bellevue?
Because you're a real madhouse.
Then wow, you know something.
You're a madhouse production.
The rascal camera me, you see you lie down on your bed and they look at me to bumbo clad. And cocky turn up to bumbo clad.
No, sir.
So why you the point they fuck with on me for?
Because I feel like.
You gonna lie down in your rascal house and you open. Ah, yes, sweet man.
Taste it.
When the man, I don't want to taste saliva. So saliva.
You smell my mouth?
No, I smell the mouth. I smell the
Suck
mouth.
it off if you don't smell my mouth.
Around with it.
Suck it off.
Now suck your breast.
No, not that.
Breast more. Dip upon breast.
Ah, what me a mouth?
No. Ease up.
What me a mouth now?
Breast more. So what?
I pay milk in there.
Milk in my head, me. Ah.
Hey fluffy browning, hey fluffy browning, hey fluffy browning. Good evening, hey fluffy browning, fluffy browning. Hey, 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 hey Molika, Empress Moody. Hey listen, hey, lion time, no lion time, me say a lion time, me say lion time. Uno put up on hand if you want Johnny line, lion time, me say a lion time, hey, number one, me say number one, me say number one, me say number one. Cause me want the lion, no, cause me want the lion, no, cause me want the lion, no, and me want the union.